That's not, my experience has been with big catfish. That's about to get crazy. Yeah, when they're so big they don't know. Then you know it's going to get nuts.
Right. Oh, there's nothing you can do with them though. That's the thing. Now with this pole is not. Now if you had like a tangled catfish pole, which I'll probably be bringing it back tonight since that's a while or something.
Strong rod, but it ain't.
Oh, is this crazy or what?
Father in heaven be with my fishing rod, protected in this time of need.
Oh. Oh mercy.
Yeah, Steve, I don't know why you fish for those trash fish. I mean, that's
yeah.
Where's the fun in that? Yeah.
Where's the fun in them trash fish?
Oh, I better get off my duck. My rod.
I don't know why anybody would want to catch these on a rod and reel.
Have you even seen this guy?
No, I ain't seen this one yet. But I'm sure he's about the same size as the rest of them. Oh, he's bigger. Oh, he's a nice one.
Ooh, that's a nice one. I think he's in the side, but I can't tell for sure.
Oh, that's a 40-pounder, ain't it?
Ooh-wee.
Oh, that's a 40-pounder, ain't it?
That is a big boy. He's not fat, he's just big boned.
He's big boned.
Oh my goodness. Well, here, I'm going to leave you to your problems here. Go grab my rod. Medium light. I gotta tell you, those carbon fiber 1-piece rods can take a load of abuse.
Guys, I don't know why you wouldn't want to catch some of these on a rod and reel. Look at that thing.